Hello everybody, I'm back again with another video. I know it's been a while, but today I'm going to be making some breaded chicken cutlet. I'm just showing you my ingredients that I'm going to be working with today. My chicken's already sliced ahead of time. Let's get into it. Adobo first, always. You guys know how I do it. I'm going to sprinkle adobo on each side of the chicken breast. You guys won't see me do it on the other side. I'm just going to season one side first. Garlic powder next. What I do is season one side, then I'm going to flip them, season the other side. After the garlic powder, I'm going to sprinkle parsley. Parsley all over because I like that. I try to get it everywhere. After the parsley, I'm going to grab that pack of Sazon, as you can see. And then I'm going to sprinkle that over the chicken as well. Just a little bit. You don't want to do it too much or it'll be too salty. And like off camera, you'll see afterwards that I rubbed it all together on both sides. Chicken nice and seasoned on both sides. And then the next part is us going to be scrambling some eggs real quick. Alright, here we go. I had 2 eggs. And I was doing this all one-handed that day. Recording with one hand and preparing with the other. So real quick, 2 eggs in a bowl. And then we're gonna drop the shell in it on accident. And then we're just gonna whip it up real quick. After scrambling our eggs, we're gonna put a little bit of homemade sofrito in the eggs. And I know this is gonna look funky to some of you, but we're just gonna whip that in there. Like if you don't know, sofrito is just peppers, onions, garlic, basically seasoning the egg. Whip it up good. Next thing, we're gonna throw our breadcrumbs in another bowl. Like we're making progress, we're halfway there. Seasoned meat, scrambled eggs, breadcrumb. First things first, dip the chicken into the egg. And you want to get that all over. You want the chicken to like soak it in. And once you feel like the egg is all over your chicken, you take that chicken and toss it in the breadcrumb. Same thing you do with the egg, you're going to do with the breadcrumb. You want the breadcrumbs to get all over the chicken. And if you can see, it's taking me a little long because I'm using a fork. But like in a second, I'll just give up the fork and just start using my hands. Much easier. Just trying to make sure my chicken is well breaded before I fry it. And like I said, it is time consuming using a fork. So after this, I'm going to show you a faster way to do it. I'm just going to take the remaining chicken, toss it in a bowl. I'm going to pour that egg mix on top of the chicken. I'm just going to let it soak it all up, like I did earlier, minus the fork. Like you want the chicken just like soaked in the egg, because you want the breadcrumbs to stay attached. And once your chicken's nice and soaked, back into the breadcrumb. And like I said, this is much faster just using your hands compared to using the fork. It's too time consuming. Especially if you're hungry or if you're cooking for a big group or your family. You know, people don't want to wait too long. So I showed you both ways to do it. I'll probably skip over a bit. You probably won't see me do it to all the chicken. It was only 4 pieces, so it doesn't take too long. Just want to make sure they were fully breaded. Next, oil in the pan. And I put the heat up at a 5. And we just let that warm up. Once it's hot enough, as you can see, throw your piece of chicken in there and let it cook. About 3 to 4 minutes on each side. It's been 3 minutes already, and the only reason I have the volume up is so you can hear the noise that the oil and chicken make while it's frying. I like to hear that sizzle. So after 3 minutes on a 5 temp, I'm gonna turn it over and let it cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. Alright, so after 4 minutes on each side, I'm finally gonna take the chicken out. I'm just flipping it just to show you how golden brown it is on each side. I'm gonna throw it onto a napkin and just try and get rid of some of that oil. Add it a bit. You don't want to burn yourself. And after that, we're gonna serve it with white rice and beans that I did off camera, because I already have videos of how to make white rice and beans already. Didn't want to cook it all over again for you. Give you the quick slideshow and then a quick spin around at the end. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, and be ready for some more videos. I know I've been slacking, but I'm gonna put some more videos up real soon. So thanks again for watching. Appreciate you.